Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Sew It Yourself. In this video, I am going to share you how to cut and stitch this beautiful headband for babies. For that, I have taken a elastic and a piece of fabrics. This is a single layer and this one is double layer, two layers. So width is 5.5 inch and length is 0.75 inch. For this fabric width is 9 inch and length is 2.75 inch. And for this one the width is 11.5 inch and length is 4 inch. So now I am going to fold this fabric by half in width. Then I will make a stitch here. After that I will insert the elastic in it. Now in this one, fold both the fabrics by half in width. Now I'm just marking where we need to make a stitch. So like this, draw a slight curve here. So make a stitch here. Similarly, do here as well. So make a stitch here. Firstly, I will attach the first strip. So always make a double stitch here. Now I'll turn this inside out. So you can see this is how it looks. Now I'll insert the elastic in it. After inserting the elastic, I'll make a top stitch. So now I'll attach the other two strips. So I finished attaching both the strips. Now I'll trim the excess fabric. Similarly, I'll finish the other strip. So just turn this inside out. So make a top stitch now. So similarly, I'll finish the other strips. So you can see I have finished both the strips. Now I'll attach this elastic. Keep the elastic fabric like this and make a stitch here. Make a double stitch. Similarly, you can see this is how it looks. Now I'll finish the other end of the fabric as well. The strips as well. So I have finished attaching. You can see this is how it looks. So this is how you have to tie and use it. It's so simple to make. Like this you can make more hairbands for small babies using the leftover fabric or scrap fabric. So with this my stitching is complete. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe and comment. This is how it looks. Thanks for watching.